not perfect today, but it's okay. So in today's video I will be doing a review, and the product that I'll be reviewing is from Nuban Beauty, and it is their In My Skin foundation that was launched November 28th last year, and this package was sent to me. So guys, this package was sent to me in December, but because of the nature of my job, I couldn't do the review December. As a full-time makeup artist, December was so tight for me, so I couldn't do that. And yeah, so this is how the foundation looks like. They're all 16 shades. Ooh. So this is the 16 shades they released, and I'm going to swatch them for you guys to see. And guess what, guys? Is plastic bottle, so even if you drop it, your heart will still be intact. So it's a plastic bottle, so I'm going to swatch. So like for all the foundation I've been using, I have never I have never seen my perfect shade. Not that I don't have a perfect shade like that will match my skin, just I haven't seen. So I just pray that from these 16 bottles here, the 16 shade, I should be able to get something that will match, a shade that will match my my skin tone. And yeah, so let's just start the swatching. So what I will start from the light shade, then onto the dark shades. So 8, so you guys see. This one is the first one, the lightest shade. That's the L1. This is it here, L1. Then this one is L2. Then L3 is this one right here in the bigger bottle. Then L4 here. Then W5. W6. This is W6 here. W7. This is W7 here. Then W8. This is it. So among these 8, the one that I think might be my shade, not too sure, is this W7. No, W6. This W6 might be my shade. Let me just take it like out here. W6. 7, not too sure of 7, but let me bring out that and just take it aside. So 6 and 7, W6 and 7 are out of the way. So let's swatch the remaining ones. So I'm going to take this off. So I'm starting with W9. This Akun Yili. Sorry if I more that. W9. W10. U Banky W This W10. They look alike, oh, so similar. 9 and 10. Please ignore any background noise. I live very close to the road. So the next one is Obama 11. Obama 11. The next one is D12. They've got nice dark shade. Oh, this one has olive undertone. That one is D12. The next one is D13. Amina. D13. Amina. Nice undertone. The next one is D15. There's no 14. D15. D15 is Femi Kuti. Ooh. So this one is Femi Kuti, and the next one is Sheba, Queen Sheba, D16. D16. The last but not the least, D17. B Fashi, I don't know how to pronounce that. D17. So these are the darkest shade in their collection. It's W6, and I'm going to work with that. I'm going to apply this on my face. Let's see how it will match my skin. So guys, in this video I am not going to be using any primer. I just moisturize my face using the Cetaphil, and that's just the only thing I'm going to apply on my face before applying the foundation. So I just let that sit on my face before applying the foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be testing here now is the W6 one. So let's see here, you guys. I live very close to the road, just by the road, you know. So the bikes, the trucks, the or whatever, it's just giving me a headache right now, but I have to film. Sorry, bear with me before I get my mic. Okay, I got you. I got you. So I will apply on one side with their beauty blender, the In My Skin beauty blender. Then I use a brush to apply on the other side. Let's see what's up with using the both beauty blender and a brush. Okay, it's okay. And it's beautiful, so you can build it if you want to build it. So let me use the brush on this other side. I think with the brush it gives you the fuller, like a fuller coverage. So I'm going to be using a brush to apply that. And I'm going to finish it up with the beauty blender. And you can see I'm still retaining that glow, so it's not really that matte. Gives you that velvety finish. Let me give you a close-up look for you guys to see it. So I'm still retaining my glow. So it still feel like I'm wearing my skin, like I'm on my bare skin, you know. I think that's the reason why they have to name it in my skin. So guys, can't you see how my skin looks? So, you know, babyish, baby skin. So that's how. But like my mirror is telling me now that it's my perfect shade, but here in the camera I feel like it's not my shade. But why? I think it's gonna be camera. I don't know, I cannot explain, but in real life it's even looking darker than in real life, like not darker, like sinks in my skin. So that's not a problem. Maybelline. So I'm going to wear my makeup like this is one. So I'm going to give you like, I'll come back and tell you guys how the foundation sits on my face in the evening. Let's say 6-5 thereabout. So I'm gonna be blending with a beauty blender. So I'll be contouring my face with Obama W11. So I did my brows off camera and all of that. Then the spray I used is the Mia spray. I'll just allow that sit. I'm going to do my eyes. I think I should finish the look off camera, then I'll come back to you guys. So guys, I went off camera to finish my makeup, and so far so good. I'm loving the foundation. So my shade is the Oprah Winfrey number 6, and I contoured my face with Obama number 11. They said it's matte, but I still feel like I'm in my skin. This is really lightweight and I am loving it. So this is what you will get if you purchase it, and it is retail for 6,500 naira. That's fair enough for 40 ml. So I am going to come back in a couple of hours to tell you more about how I feel with this foundation. So later. So guys, I am back after 6 hours, and so far so good. The makeup did not break, and I have not done my touch up. I'm gonna do it now. So I'll just take a piece of tissue and just take off the excess, the oil on my face, like so. and that's it. Looks fresh. So it does the foundation does transfer, and it's not bad. It's lightweight, and you can wear it for over 12 hours. So it's a yes for me. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.